Welcome to the Spokane housing market update for April 2023. This one is important because the market has shifted. So if you're a seller who's tried and failed in the last 6 months to sell your home, I might have some good news for you. Likewise, if you're a buyer, there is still some opportunity out there if you know where to look. So let's take a dive into the data and see what's been happening with the housing market both nationally and locally here in Spokane. My name is Phil Wells. I'm a real estate agent that likes to keep up to date with the market, and I want you to be as informed as possible too. The big news is that inflation, which is the key reason behind these high interest rates, is trending down, but it's still too high. With the recent bank failures that we've seen, the Federal Reserve is beginning to signal that it might be losing its interest in the fight against inflation. But many are saying that a pivot now would be very detrimental to the economy, just as we're starting to get inflation under control. Nationally, the most recent report we can see for pending home sales shows an increase in pending home sales. We're also seeing national median home prices rise too. And mortgage rates have dropped recently down towards the 6% range. In terms of Spokane specifically, sales are down here on a year-over-year basis, and inventory is still woefully low. Home prices, though, are increasing on a month-on-month basis. If you're a seller, know that buyer competition is heating up and home prices are rising. I'm seeing time on market drop, and for those most desirable homes, I'm starting to see multiple offer situations. So you can still sell your home. It's not the best time to sell if you want to get top dollar for your home, as I highlighted before, but it's actually possible again, which is welcome news to those that might have tried and failed in the last 6 months to actually sell their home. I have experienced multiple offer situations when representing buyers the last month. I've had to use things like the escalation clause, I've had to use an appraisal gap provision this month, and I had to severely limit the scope of an inspection contingency this month too. These are tools much more commonly associated with the seller's market. I'm not for 1 minute suggesting we're in a seller's market, but we're certainly not in a buyer's market either. If you're a buyer, your window of opportunity is closing. We're not in a buyer's market anymore. We're in some sort of weird bounced market. It didn't happen naturally, but that's where we're at. So I'm more convinced than ever that it's up from here for the housing market. If you want to buy right now and you're looking at a home that's newly listed and is very desirable, you're going to face some competition. We're talking about maybe paying thousands of dollars more, but it's not tens of thousands of dollars more like it would be if rates were at 3%. And if you like the looks of a property that might have been on the market for a little while, then there are still some deals to be had. That's absolutely true. So I maintain that it's still possible to get a good purchase price right now. As I highlighted before, purchase prices are down from their recent highs. And in the future, combine that good purchase price with a good mortgage rate when you're able to refinance. But like I said, that window is rapidly closing. Don't forget too that we are in the middle of an inflationary cycle, and what's one of the best inflation hedges out there? The 30-year fixed mortgage. That mortgage payment isn't changing for 30 years unless you change it by deciding to refinance to a lower mortgage payment. That's it for this video. I hope you gained from this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. That really does help me out. Please go and follow me on Instagram. That's where I'm most active. If you're looking at buying, selling, or investing in the Spokane area, then please feel free to reach out. Give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email, and I'd be honored to work with you. Until the next one, my name is Phil Wells, and thank you for watching.